Assalamualaikum everyone. Today we are going to organize our new art studio. Hope you will enjoy. Let's start with a pen organizer. It will help us to tidy up all marker pens and other important stationaries. Let's jump into the next item. It's a desk pen holder. We are organizing it with some brush pens and some highlighters. This pen holder is very useful. This is Crystal Rose Diamond Table Lamp. It has 16 different colors. Its real beauty can be enjoyed at the night. And here are two stationery holder. But for now we have nothing to keep on it. Let's talk about this aesthetic flower pot. It's colored by ourselves. Let us know in the comment section that how was the color. Now we are organizing all of our art books and keeping them in a scuttle. It's a cute cactus plant. This paintbrush holder is made of soil. We have used some pink color as base and gives some golden touch. And this is a simple DIY decorative item. It's a candle holder. We are keeping a cactus-shaped candle on it. Do you like miniature things? This one is my favorite. This flower vase is so pretty, isn't it? Here we are keeping some paper clips. We use these clips oftenly. We always carry our acrylic colors on this scuttle and it's so helpful. This artificial plant gives a beautiful look. Here we are decorating this pen holder with some mini cactus showpieces. They are so cute. This is Himi gouache paint. We love this gouache paint. It has 36 colors and each color is 12 gram. We mostly use the gouache paint, so we think that we should keep the gouache here and the acrylic colors on the top shelf. We find out this artificial orchid flower from a shop. It gives a greeny vibe on our studio. This mini scuttle is made of bamboo. We are decorating it with mini gel candles. And keeping the scuttle on the top shelf. This basket is also made of bamboo. We have keep some sponge and sticky notes here. This cute pot is also DIY. This picture tells us something about the situation of Palestinians. Those cute flower vases are also colored by ourselves. Let's put some flowers on them. It's a trolley. That's help us to have some less important things nearby our desk. This is our new art studio. Hope you all loved it. Let us know in the comment section how is this. To get more videos of us, please do subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to like, share, comment.